Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today with Baby Me. So in now my video today, I would like sharing my errands in the house. First, I would like to show you here in the couch. Have the cover in from gold finger in the box. What do you think, Daddy Paul?
Looks good.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And then here is toys. I ordered from Facebook Live
Now, why did you order toys?
because before I'm kids, my mother and my father go to the town, and then I see in the toys I would like to buy, but my mother said no because the money is only 200. It's not enough for the buy that. So in now I have the YouTube, my dream come true.
And my dream when we moved in was that I had my own desk and that this was going to be just my stuff. So my dream has been shattered.
Yeah, but
How do you feel about that?
before I put the toys here, I tell with you first.
No, you actually showed me after the fact.
And then,
You got your own chicken.
yeah, chicken, look.
Yeah. Who else you got here?
Oh, wait.
I bet you can't name all these guys.
I don't know what is the...
Yeah, because those are American. You got Pinocchio, you got Winnie the Pooh, you
Yeah.
got Pikachu,
Yeah.
you got Raggedy Ann. Some of them I don't know either.
Have the
I don't know.
motor.
Is that a Muppet? I don't know.
Yeah, look. Oh.
Oh, he's on a car.
Yeah, motor.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Pinocchio. Where's Pinocchio? I don't know. Where's...
I think that's Pinocchio right there. I think, but I may be wrong.
Yeah. All that I buy the Facebook. I'm
And
so
Winnie the
happy.
Pooh looks a little ragged. Is he dirty? What happened?
Yeah, because
These
from
are used
Okay.
toys.
Because from Okay.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. All right.
I spend that is 1,200.
1,200, so $24 for all this.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, and then welcome
Yeah.
her
Does it
in
make you
the
happy? It makes you happy.
in the room.
Okay.
Oh,
Well, you got a lot of colors going on here, May.
yes.
You got your Chinese drapes, and
Hello.
then you got these stripes.
I buy the Facebook Live that.
Now, what's the deal with Facebook Live? It's like okay, but on Facebook.
Okay bundle.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Okay. Well, that's cool.
Yeah. 350.
But you like it because they're clean.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then that is.
That's it.
Yeah, and then I would like to tour her in the house because I'm very good for the cleaning.
Okay. Then let's go for a tour of the house.
Yes. And her in the stock room. I'm good for the errands. Look, in the box.
Yeah, this is all the crap Wolfinger sent us. We still got to find a home for some of this stuff. You got a banjo in there, but your sister wants it, right?
Yes.
Thank God you moved these curtains
Yeah.
away from my live streams.
Because I would like to good for the errands.
Yeah,
Yeah, and then very clean.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you do keep a clean house.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm a sweeper in the backyard whole day.
All day.
Yeah,
I know.
because I'm very comfortable. It's very clean the house.
Right.
Yeah, but it's not all the girls like that. Trust me. Are you believe that?
Yeah, I believe that. What's your point?
Because okay, let's go for your studio.
Okay. Yeah, some studio.
Yeah, your studio.
Yeah, big deal. Here's the studio.
Your chicken.
We have to buy so much stuff for this place. Like I have to get sound deadening. I bet you right now while I'm videoing this, it's echoing in here. But we've got to black out these windows, and I got to get chairs in these corners and all kinds of stuff. And it's a lot easier said than done.
Yeah.
So we could talk about it all day long, right?
Yeah.
But you and I went and looked at that bamboo stuff,
Yeah.
right? Very expensive.
Yeah, 900.
Yeah, way too
plus.
much money for what it was, you know.
Yeah.
And we got to put up some kind of foam in here because I did start my little secret channel and I videotaped in here, but so far the secret channel is so secret even I can't find it. I did a search for it. But anyway, this will eventually be a little YouTube studio. And right now you can see how sophisticated it is.
Yes.
All right, what else you got going on?
Your computer. Good
Well,
for
yeah,
you.
this is the same old, same old. We still haven't upgraded this. We haven't bought any furniture.
Yeah.
No,
No.
no. Because we're waiting for the right stuff for the studio. That's kind of like what we need.
Yeah. And then the kitchen. is
And then the
still
kitchen.
Good for errands.
Yeah.
Yes.
How about your garden? Want to tell them about your garden?
Oh, my garden is I thinking because if I go to the garden, I'm very busy because first in the backyard, very big for the sweeper.
Yeah, but I'm saying your garden took it died,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Are you going to plant again or no?
I thinking first.
Yeah, you're thinking about it? Because if you don't, I will.
I do it then.
See, all I have to do is threaten to do it. She
Because
does it.
you have the watermelon.
Yeah, my little watermelons out front are doing just fine.
I
But I changed. I figured out that it needed sun, or I read the directions actually, and then I planted them, and now they're coming up.
Yes.
So I think you should do your peanuts out back.
Yes.
All right. So what else is going on? What else you got?
So.
What else you want to show?
Um,
Oh yeah, look at the yard.
yeah,
Super
very
clean.
Very clean.
There's my little garden right over there. You can't see it, but I do have some successful little green watermelons.
And then I say, that's my peanut.
Those are peanuts.
Yeah, peanuts. Spread. Dry
So
peanuts.
these are dried raw peanuts,
Yeah.
and if you stick those in the ground, they grow.
Yeah.
All right. Cool enough.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's a lot of leaves that come,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
And remember, we took the lawn all the way down to the nub,
Yeah.
and everybody said, "Oh, you killed your lawn," but it came back after a couple good rainstorms. So yeah, the house looks good, babe.
Yeah.
You're always sweeping, you're always cleaning,
Yeah.
you're always wiping, you're always dusting,
Yes.
and what else?
Yes. By the way, why I wear the sunglasses because I have more pimples. I'm shy.
Yeah, well, that's understandable.
So that's
I like
why-
those shades on you. Those are new. And you went and bought those reflector shades that I don't like, but
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
you're a
yeah.
hippie. What can I tell you?
Yeah.
And then what's over here? Anything else over here? Anything going on?
Yes.
Today we don't have any internet.
Yes.
What a bummer. Huh?
Only here.
Just us, just our house.
Yeah.
So there's something wrong with our box or something.
Yeah.
And I was going to do a live stream at 9 o'clock, and PLDT does not open until 10 o'clock.
Yeah. 10 o'clock.
And our nice little landlord next door over there,
Yeah.
she's going to call for us because
Yeah.
it's under her name. All right.
So-
Well, you got a nice clean house.
Yeah.
Your garden's dead, but you're going to plant the peanuts because I threatened I would. Right?
Yeah.
All right. So should I like, share, and subscribe to this video? What do you think?
That is my video today for sharing about my toys and then cleaning her in the house. And
Okay.
For the area. So that is.
That's it? That's your
yeah.
video?
Yeah.
All right. So everybody like, share, and subscribe to Today with Baby May.
Yes.
All
And
right.
then we did the default, please subscribe. Bye bye.